All right, we're getting ready for the lightweight concrete that's going to go on top of this hollow core floor system. As you can see, we got our rebar in, which we call transfer bars, going in here. We also going to have, where you see these markers, where we're going to have the roof drains is marked in orange. So my guy is coming in to core drill those. It's going to be about 100 plus yards up here of lightweight concrete. I'm going to just do a remeasure just in case, but and so we're going to have to pitch it from, you don't see the wood now, but it's going to be let me see if I can come over here and show you guys. I'm not going to get too close to the edge because I'm on top of the roof. All right, you're going to see where we're going to have a ribbon board go up. Well, that's plywood. That's going to go up probably like four inches. Normally I go up 2 3/4, something like that, because the way this panel is, it has a curve in the middle of it, a camper, as we call it. So I don't want to get too much in depth in that, but that's my high point, and then I shoot my elevation all the way to my end. That's going to tell me if I need to be 2 inches from that high point, then I may be 2 3/4 on the end. Okay, so you got to kind of like know that if you need 2 inches of coverage, you just can't go from the edge and go 2 inches, because if it has a high spot in the middle, you're not going to be quite 2 inches. You may be 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, and you don't want to do that because that's not the application. All right, so just know that when you're putting on your roofs and whatever type of roofs you're doing. So depending on the weather, even though this is a roof, you still don't want it to be messed up. So there's another core drill there, core drill there, and where you see the little orange marks and stuff like that, that's where we're going to have steel coming in. They haven't put it here yet, which we are going to have. So the guys are working on that. We got the garage that we're doing over there. You can see how the water's settling up on there. So once we pour the concrete, we're going to slope it to the drains. And then once we slope it to the drains, then that water should go exactly where it's supposed to go, so it's not pondering on top of the roof. Okay, I hear the thunder in the background already, man. Florida, what we do? What did we do to get this? So you see, you already put the block there. That was the block that when we had the scaffolding up, I had the guys go ahead and do that, because right now to try to put scaffolding on just that one course of block would have been a nightmare. So now the guys can really work up here and put the block up, you know, which is good, because we got to put a parapet on top of this. Maybe one course. So we're good. All right. Just want to give you guys a heads up as far as what we're doing here. But this is Darmac Builders giving you guys a take on what we're doing here. We're pretty much done here with the major build, but we still got to fine tune it, and we got to cross the finish line. So that's where we are right now. Okay. Hope all is well. And I will get with you later. Peace.